Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed about the thermal machines and there is one bit remaining, that is a classification of automobiles. It will ask for 2 marks, very simple bit. Automobiles are generally classified on different criteria, right? There are lots of criteria to classify the automobiles. Right, first criteria, that is based on the purpose, right? First criteria based on the purpose. First, in this passenger vehicle, these vehicles carry passenger. Example, bus, car, passenger trains, etc. Right? In this second type, based on the purpose, second type, goods vehicles that carry the goods from one place to another place. For example, goods carrier, goods lorries. Example, goods lorries. Example. Yeah, when question will ask for 2 marks, so you have to write one example of each, right? In this third criteria, special purpose vehicle, right? Special purpose vehicle like ambulance. These vehicles includes fire engine, army vehicles, etc. Right? Second, based on load capacity. Second major type, based on load capacity. Right? In this, light duty vehicles like a jeep, scooter, car, light duty. Second, heavy duty. And in car, in this bus, trucks, in this cars, scooter, etc. Right? Third major criteria, based on fuel use. Right? There are in IC engine we have discussed the engine, that is petrol engine. First, petrol vehicles, that is automobiles powered by petrol engine. Example, scooter, car, motorcycle. Second, diesel vehicles, automobiles powered by the diesel engine. It is called trucks, buses, tractors. Gas vehicles, the turbine power cars, etc. Third, electrical vehicles, right? In the electrical vehicle, automobile that use electricity as a power source, so electric cars, etc. Right? Fourth major criteria, based on drive of vehicles. Right? This is that you have seen in the movies, the steering wheel of vehicles in the USA, that is in the left hand side. So there is some type left hand drive, the steering wheel fitted at the left hand side. B, right hand drive, steering wheel fitted at right hand side. C, fluid drive, vehicles employing torque convert fluid, flywheel, etc. Major fifth, based on the number of wheels and axles. Based on number of wheels and axles, that you have seen 4-wheel, 6-wheel vehicles, 12-wheel vehicles, right? So first, basic 2-wheeler, that is motorcycle. 3-wheeler, auto. auto rickshaw, example, four wheeler, car, jeeps, six wheelers, buses, trucks, etc. Right. Next, based on the transmission, based on transmission, right, that early days auto transmission is a popular vehicle, right. So first, automatic transmission, right. Yeah, automatic transmission means these type of vehicles capable of changing gear automatically, right. Second, manual transmission vehicles facility with manual gear changing, right. And third one is semi-automatic. You can use manual or automatic, semi-automatic, both vehicles that facilitate manual gear changing with clutch pedal, right. Last, based on the suspension system, based on suspension system. In this first, conventional, that is leaf spring, and second one is independent, that is coil spring, torsion bar, and this is all about the type of automobile. Here we finish all theoretical part and all numericals. In the examination, from the we have taken 4 numericals, so from these 4 numerical will become for examination. Thank you.